Did you know that tartar buildup not only makes your teeth look yellow, but can also lead to cavities, bad breath, and gum disease? The good news is you can fight it naturally. Today, let's explore some powerful home remedies that may help remove tartar and keep your teeth healthy and bright. Remedy number 1, baking soda. First up, baking soda. This gentle natural scrub can help reduce plaque and balance the acids in your mouth. Just mix a little with water and brush gently, don't overdo it. Once or twice a week is enough. Remedy number 2, oil pulling. Second, oil pulling with coconut oil. Swishing oil around your mouth for 10-15 minutes can help pull out bacteria, freshen breath, and prevent buildup over time. Remedy number 3, white vinegar rinse. Third, white vinegar rinse. Mix 2 teaspoons of vinegar with warm water and a pinch of salt. Gargle with this once or twice a week. It helps kill bacteria and loosen tartar. Remedy number 4, fruits and foods. Next, crunchy fruits and veggies, like apples, carrots, and celery. They act like natural toothbrushes, scrubbing your teeth while boosting saliva flow to wash away food particles. Remember, these natural remedies can support your oral health, but they're not a replacement for dental checkups. Regular brushing, flossing, and professional cleanings are still essential. A bright smile starts with daily care.